Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 10th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Suicide Prevention Day is observed every year on. Answer is 10th September. World Suicide Prevention Day is celebrated every year on 10 September to raise awareness across the globe that suicide can be prevented. The triennial theme for World Suicide Prevention Day for 2024 to 2026 is Changing the Narrative on Suicide with the Call to Action, Start the Conversation. 1 in every 100 deaths across the world is the result of suicide. Question number 2. What was India's rank in the medal tally at the 2024 Paris Paralympics? Answer is 18th. The 17th Paralympics was organized by the International Paralympics Committee in the French capital city of Paris from 28 August to 8 September 2024. India sends a strong 84-member para-athletes team to the Paris Paralympic. India made history with their best-ever performance, winning a total of 29 medals, comprising 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze medals. India finished the Paris Paralympics in 18th place. China topped the medal tally with 220 medals. Question number 3. Which country has recently emerged as the world's biggest plastic polluter? Answer is India. A new study by the University of Leeds, published in Nature Journal, revealed India as the biggest contributor to plastic pollution. India burns roughly 5.8 million tons of plastic each year and releases another 3.5 million tons of plastics into the environment, land, air, water, as debris. Cumulatively, India contributes to 9.3 million tons of plastic pollution in the world annually, significantly more than the countries next in this list: Nigeria, 3.5 million tons, Indonesia, 3.4 million tons, and China, 2.8 million tons. Question number 4. How many medals has India won in the World Under-20 Wrestling Championship? Answer is 7 medals. The Under-20 World Wrestling Championships 2024 was contested at the Pontevedra Municipal Sports Hall in Spain from 2nd to 8th September. India won 7 medals, 1 gold, 1 silver and 5 bronze at the Under-20 World Wrestling Championships 2024. Jyoti Berwal clinched a gold medal in the women's 76 kg freestyle category. Question number 5. Abdelmajid Tebboune has been re-elected as the president of which country? Answer is Algeria. In the recently held presidential election, 78-year-old incumbent President Abdelmajid Tebboune of Algeria was re-elected with a landslide victory. President Abdelmajid Tebboune was elected for a second 5-year term. He was first elected as the President of Algeria in 2019. Algeria is a predominantly Muslim Arab country located in northern Africa. The country was a colony of France and gained its independence on 5 July 1962. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as India's new Finance Secretary? Answer is Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, a 1987 batch IAS officer from Odisha, has been appointed as India's new Finance Secretary as of 7 September 2024. With this appointment, Pandey takes over for T.V. Somnathan, who was appointed as the Cabinet Secretary in August 2024, succeeding Rajiv Gauba. T.V. Somnathan has moved to the role of Cabinet Secretary. Previously, Pandey was the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management's DIPAM secretary. Question number 7. Which state government recently made NRC receipt number mandatory for Aadhaar card? Answer is Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced on 7 September that all new applicants for Aadhaar cards in Assam must submit their National Register of Citizens NRC application receipt number ARN. The process will start from 1st October. The Registrar General of India recently asked the Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI to issue Aadhaar cards to these over 9 lakh residents of Assam whose biometrics were mistakenly frozen in 2019 when the NRC was being updated. Question number 8. Where have more than 14 people died recently due to Super Typhoon Yagi? Answer is Vietnam. Typhoon Yagi, the strongest storm to hit Asia this year, was downgraded to a tropical depression after killing at least 14 in Vietnam. The storm caused significant damage in northern Vietnam, China's Hainan, and the Philippines, killing dozens and injuring several more. Strong winds reaching 203 km/h caused extensive damage across northern Vietnam. More than 170 people are reported injured. Question number 9. Which country's Moeen Ali has announced his retirement from international cricket? Answer is England. At the age of 37, Moeen Ali, the versatile England all-rounder, has officially announced his retirement from international cricket. The Birmingham-born left-handed batter and right-arm spinner has played in 68 tests, 138 one-day internationals and 92 T20 internationals for England since 2014. The first Asian origin cricketer to captain England in T20 internationals, Ali has scored 5 centuries in tests and 3 in one-day internationals, also taking 366 wickets across all 3 formats. Question number 10. Which organization is expected to release the advanced AI model, Project Strawberry? Answer is OpenAI. OpenAI is anticipated to release its most advanced AI model, codenamed Project Strawberry, between September and November 2024. This model, previously known as Project Q-Star, aims to advance artificial general intelligence by exhibiting cognitive abilities akin to the human brain. It will be integrated into the upcoming ChatGPT-5 and is expected to excel in complex problem-solving, autonomous online research, and generating high-quality synthetic data. Question number 11. Arun Goyal has been appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Answer is Croatia. Arun Goyal has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Croatia, succeeding Raj Kumar Srivastava. The Ministry of External Affairs announced his new role on 7 September 2024. Goyal, a retired 1985 batch IAS officer from the Punjab Cadre, previously served as the Election Commissioner of India from 21 November 2020 to 9 March 2024. Question number 12. Who was appointed as the State Mission Director of the National Health Mission, NHM? Answer is Vinay Goyal. Dr. Vinay Goyal has officially assumed the role of State Mission Director for the National Health Mission, NHM. He succeeds K. Jeevan Babu, who has moved to the Kerala Water Authority as Managing Director. Dr. Goyal, an IAS officer of the 2016 batch, also takes charge as Director of the Kerala State IT Mission and Project Director at eHealth Kerala. In his new roles, he aims to advance Kerala's digital and health infrastructure. Question number 13. Who has launched the third edition of the Asha Scholarship Program? Answer is SBI Foundation. The State Bank of India, SBI Foundation has unveiled the third edition of its flagship initiative, the SBI Asha Scholarship Program. This ambitious program aims to support 10,000 talented students from class 6 to postgraduate level, offering between 15,000 rupees to 20 lakh rupees. The Asha Scholarship Program was founded in 2022, and since then, it has provided timely financial support to the tune of 3.91 crore rupees to 3,198 students. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.